Basra.
I'll catch up.
There's another helicopter over on the road. Oh look, players.
There's a tab up here, no?
Fuck!
What's in there?
I missed the roof. Someone come and give me a little tippy tap. Tippy tap. Very much. How good's your balancing skills?
Could I drop a chopper through the hole? Just two.
Oh my god, that was too weird. You're not solo, you fucking liar.
On the roof of the bank. Big summer blowout.
Roof of buy station as well.
Oh! What a throw! I'll not even be mad at that.
Ultra One, an operator is reporting medical near your location. Ultra One, activity is increasing near your location. Stay alert.
Requesting recon flyover!
Nice.
Got him back the same way he done me.
Hostile enemies here.
UAV is being fuel.
Nice.
RTB at this time.
Oh, fucking missed.
Motherfucker!
What the hell?
Taking fire! Keep an eye on the spray enemies here. Back up!
Ah, come on. Man, yeah, screw it. Yeah, I hate that shotgun. That's the one that got me.
Can't pick this one up.
Weapon recovery time.
بابا دوتا بهش گوله زدم.
Oh shit, there's two of them. I killed them.
Who are they shooting at?
Someone's pushing, someone's pushing.
Oh shit!
Oh my god.
I gave him taste his own medicine. He get you with the
Yeah,
throwing
that's
knife.
a
I do the same thing.
Team recon overhead!
Copy. UAV orbiting the AO. Recon is online.
Now where's that medivest?
Oh wait, right here there. There's a UAV on.
Exakt village, innit?
Oh, I just got comms.
Hello,
Fire station?
Mike.
Maybe?
I've got comms.
No.
Come out to play. Oh, there he is. There he is.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there. This building.
I'm in.
Oh
I broke it for you.
Come on there.
That was good timing actually, because I was about to get bummed.
Let's get bummed.
Oh,
Well played, once. Well played.
We'll put a contract on your head.
Oh. Here they come.
Actual Ultra One, UAV is in orbit over your location. Out other operators. Prep for contact.
Shit.
Ultra One, a squad
Oh my god, one stealth. Two on me.
fire.
Below you. Behind you.
One more. In that room.
I'm out. One more.
On the roof.
Yeah, and I got no ammo.
Ha ha ha.
Shit, didn't see that one.
It didn't finish, you know. I didn't see the finish.
It's finished, look.
Oh, you did get the
Left side of
finish.
the screen, yeah.
Yeah, done.
Get away. Hold it and pull us out. Hold that analog stick.
Oh, I'm not even holding my controller. Skipper Rooney.
Don't listen to her.
No, I'm joking. I'm party leader anyway, mate.
I know, I'm the leader now.
One.
I'm better than y'all.
How many did you get?
I got one.
No, you didn't.
It's
You're lying?
It's 2-digit one.